Hello guys, welcome back to Contrarywise TV, and today I just want to share with you what you can do in an event that you fail to manage to file for your tax returns. So everything that I'm going to share with you today is something that I've done in the past. I'm going to share with you something that I have experienced, right? So sometime last year in 2024, in this current period where people were filing in for their tax returns, their tax declaration forms, I didn't do it. So it was 2024, which means we were filing for the tax that was withheld in the year 2023, right? Just like right now we're in 2025 and people are filing in for the tax declarations for the previous year, 2024. So I didn't manage to submit this PIT 37 or the tax declaration form. I didn't do it up until the deadline. So the deadline is the 30th of April. That is the deadline for submitting all these forms, right? So I got up to the 30th of April and I didn't do anything. So what happened is it gets fulfilled, or it gets filled automatically in the system, in the government system. It fills everything in the government system, and then they will send a representative to your place of residence, the place that is on your parcel. You see, if they search your parcel in the government, there's an address, your residence address, that is on the parcel. That is where they go to, which is very important. Sometime last year, I also uploaded a video telling you about the importance of keeping your parcel information up to date, right? You can find the link somewhere there. I'll put it right there, right? So they'll go to that address with your money and a small paper where you're supposed to sign that you've received all your money back, right? So it will come in cash, right? If the person comes and you are there, you need to also like show them your identity document. It can be a passport or a TRC, right? You show them your identity, they verify your identity, and then you sign. They sign, you sign the amount that they have given you, right? But in the event that they don't find you at home, what happens is they will leave a small paper, right, in your, what is this called, in your post box, in your mailbox. They will leave a paper that is the information, like your name and a place where you're supposed to go and collect, right? So the paper looks something like this. Yes, this is the one that I received last year in 2024. It's there on the screen, right? So you get that paper and you go to Poczta Polska, right? There is this building. It's not one, but there are a lot of them all over. Like in every district, there are those, right? And they are put strategically, like in the close to residential places, right? So it's called a Poczta Polska. You can just search for it online. You say Poczta Polska near me or Poczta Polska near like your place of residence. You go there, you show them this document, right? You give them this document, and you also need to carry your identification as well. So you need either your passport or your TRC or any form of identification that you have. You go with it to Poczta Polska and you show them this small paper and your identity. And then they'll take a look at it and then they'll give your money back. Because if the person who comes with your money doesn't find you at your apartment, because maybe you're at work or maybe you're somewhere else and you don't know when they're going to come, right? They will take it to that Poczta Polska. And then at that Poczta Polska, that's where you have to collect it. But you have 14 days to do that, right? If you fail to collect it within the period of 14 days, it is then sent back to the government, the tax office, right? It's sent back to the tax office, and then you have to contact the tax office to find out how we are supposed to what you're supposed to do so that you get your money back, right? So the process is quite simple, right? In the event that you are not at home, you just need to go to your mailbox, check this paper that I showed you on the screen, go with it to, there is also an address that will be written on that paper. You go to that address, to that pochta polska, you show them that paper and the identification, and then they give you that money. It's like that. But it's always recommended that you fill in your tax declaration online, because with that, it brings the convenience of you adding your bank account, right? So if you add your bank account, the money is just transferred straight to your bank. You don't need to go through all this hassle of finding a pochta polska or trying to time where you think when you think this person is going to come with your money, right? So if you do it online, it's easier for you, because it will just be transferred into your bank account. So this is the whole process of what you need to do in the event that you fail to fill in your tax return or your tax declaration, the PIT 37. I hope this information was useful, and I hope you don't really get into the situation, because it's a lot of work. But I hope this information was useful, and if you like it, please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you think I left out something, also write it in the comment section. And if you have a question about this topic, you can also write it in the comment section. I will help you as much as I can, but I'm sharing this information based on my situation and based on my experience of what happened in the past. So take care. Bye.